At the end of this video, you'll know how to find recent updates and BestNotes features. From the login screen, you can select the What's New link to see the latest updates to BestNotes. Also, if you are curious about your use of BestNotes, you can review what is called the BestNotes Utilization Report. By navigating to Reports in the bottom left-hand corner of BestNotes, in the Report Type drop-down, you will find the BestNotes Utilization Report. This report outlines all the features that you are currently using, not using, or potentially underutilizing each month. These are not all the features of BestNotes, but these are the major features of BestNotes. If you are interested in learning more about our most recent updates or our utilization report, you can reach out to BestNotes support.